Welcome to your ultimate 2026 IT career explainer from Cert Empire. Look, if you're trying to break into IT right now, or maybe you're looking to level up your current tech career, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're acting as your dedicated IT career advisors, and we're going to guide you through the glowing, interconnected network of CompTIA certifications. We're talking about mapping out every single path, the salaries, the actual costs, and the specializations, all so you can build your perfect, high-paying career track. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's your master blueprint for navigating the job market today. We'll cover the biggest certification mistake, the foundational IT core stack, the high-paying cybersecurity track, cloud, data, and Linux paths, the DoD compliance advantage, and finally, CompTIA versus vendor certifications. Let's get moving. Section 1. The biggest certification mistake. Before we map out your upward trajectory, we absolutely have to talk about the most expensive error you can make in your IT career right now. $530. That is what it costs to take the 2 exams required for the A+ certification. But here's the honest truth. Taking the wrong first exam is literally the most common pitfall I see. If you already have, say, 1 to 2 years of hands-on help desk experience under your belt, taking the A+ is just a massive waste of your time and money. You could lose up to $530 in fees and waste 12 long weeks studying for things you already know from your day job. No way you want to do that. So let's take the guesswork completely out of the equation right now. Use this as your compass. Got 0 IT experience? Start at Tech Plus or A+. Have that 1 to 2 years of help desk experience we just mentioned? Go ahead and skip directly to Network Plus. If you're already a networking pro transitioning into cyber, jump right to Security Plus. And if you've got a military or government background, well, Security Plus is your absolute golden ticket for DoD compliance. Matching your exact current experience level to the perfect entry cert is literally step 1 in building your cert empire. Section 2. The foundational IT core stack. Okay, if you are strictly starting out and need to build that broad base of knowledge, this is your linear trajectory from complete beginner to a highly capable junior systems administrator. You're looking at 6 to 12 weeks mastering the hardware and OS basics of A+, another 8 to 12 weeks wrapping your head around the infrastructure protocols of Network Plus, and then 6 to 10 weeks rounding the whole thing out with Server Plus or Linux Plus. This foundational path is absolutely essential for IT support specialists, and assuming you don't skip A+ because of prior experience, it unlocks a salary potential up to $85,000 in the US. Now, the really crucial point here is how these certifications actually work together. One of CompTIA's absolute greatest advantages is its stackable system. You don't just grab random certs, you climb them. It's like a giant puzzle. When you complete A+ and Network Plus together, you automatically unlock a third credential, the CIO's, or IT Operations Specialist. And you get that without taking any additional exams. This sends a massive signal to employers that you've got validated broad IT operations competency. Section 3. The high-paying cybersecurity track. All right, let's shift gears to the most searched CompTIA path for 2026. Because of the sheer number of unfilled positions globally right now, the cybersecurity track has incredible financial upside. Security Plus is the undisputed gateway credential for the entire cyber job market. We're talking entry-level roles starting around $70,000, mid-career pros seeing about $90,000, and top earners easily hitting $115,000. It is widely accepted across the private sector and acts as your crucial stepping stone before moving into advanced defensive roles with CISA Plus or offensive roles with Pentest Plus. Now, if you decide to go all in and follow the complete cybersecurity roadmap, starting way back at A+, moving to Network Plus, then Security Plus, up through CISA Plus for threat analysis, and finally capping it all off with the Advanced Security Plus credential, your total exam investment comes to roughly $2,606. Spread out over the 3 to 4 years it usually takes to complete this journey part-time, that is an unbelievably low investment for a career track that can cap out at $145,000 or more. But hey, for those of you leaning towards offensive security, breaking into systems to test their defenses, here is the honest truth you really need to hear. CompTIA's Pentest Plus is excellent for structured entry and government compliance. It teaches you the core methodology. But actually, if your goal is to work for a dedicated red team or a top-tier penetration testing firm, they're going to be looking for the OSCP. The OSCP is a grueling 24-hour live exploitation exam that carries way heavier weight when technical credibility is everything. So think of it this way. Pentest Plus is your solid foundation, but OSCP is your ultimate proof of skill. Section 4. cloud, data, and Linux paths. Let's branch off a bit into specialized infrastructure architectures. If you want to step away from security and focus on the environments that run the modern web, this part is for you. But we've got to be completely transparent here about Cloud Plus. It's a really solid, vendor-neutral cert that validates your general cloud foundations. However, on its own, it probably isn't going to land you a dedicated cloud engineering role. Hiring managers want to see that you know how to operate their specific platforms. So Cloud Plus is best utilized as a supplement while you're actively grinding for your AWS Solutions Architect or Microsoft Azure AZ-104 certifications. When we look at operating systems, Linux Plus offers fantastic broad marketability, especially since Linux skills are getting baked into more and more standard job descriptions these days. But similar to that Pentest Plus versus OSCP dynamic we just talked about, if you're working in a strict enterprise Red Hat environment, the live performance RHCSA is going to carry more weight. And brand new for 2026, CompTIA rolled out DataSys Plus and DataX to cover database admin and AI. These are super exciting, but they're just beginning to establish their market presence. Unless an employer specifically asks for them, established AWS or Databricks certs might move the needle a bit more for data roles right now.
Section 5. The DoD Compliance Advantage.
Okay, for our military personnel, veterans, or honestly anyone targeting defense contractor roles, you need to listen closely because this is your absolute secret weapon. The U.S. Department of Defense has strict compliance directives, specifically DoD 8570 and 8140, requiring specific certs for anyone with privileged access to government IT systems. And it turns out navigating that bureaucratic red tape is actually highly profitable. CompTIA certifications directly satisfy these mandatory categories. Security Plus is the massive one here, satisfying IAT Level 2, which makes it virtually mandatory for most DoD IT and cybersecurity positions. So what does this actually mean for your wallet? Well, defense contractors like Booz Allen Hamilton, Raytheon, and Leidos literally cannot bill the government for your work unless you are compliant. Because of that, they pay massive salary premiums for people holding a Security Plus cert. Entry-level Security Plus holders routinely start between $75,000 and $90,000 in the Washington, D.C. metro area. And get this, if you pair that cert with an active security clearance, starting salaries of $90,000 to $110,000 for Tier 1 roles are incredibly common. Section 6, CompTIA versus vendor certifications. Finally, let's deliver the pragmatic strategy that really sets Cert Empire's advice apart. How do you actually navigate the battle between vendor-neutral and vendor-specific certs? This is the honest comparison most guides completely miss. The CompTIA path provides an incredible platform-independent foundation. It gives you universal employer recognition across all sectors, checks that DoD compliance box, and teaches you the how and why behind the technology, usually costing between $127 to $509 per cert. Vendor-specific certs, on the other hand, lock you into one ecosystem like AWS or Cisco, but they are incredibly strong in shops using those specific tools and align perfectly with targeted job postings, usually running $100 to $400 a pop. So, what's the ultimate unbeatable career strategy for 2026? It's simple. Build your foundational core with a vendor-neutral CompTIA cert so you deeply understand the universal principles, and then stack a highly specialized vendor certification directly on top of it. For example, grab your Network Plus and then go get your AWS Solutions Architect, or knock out Security Plus and then get your Microsoft SE500. That specific combination of a broad foundation paired with specialized depth is exactly what hiring managers are desperately searching for. We have just mapped out the entire 2026 landscape for you. From avoiding expensive, time-wasting pitfalls to unlocking those high-paying cyber roles and leveraging DoD compliance. But here is the real question to leave you with today. In an industry where technology literally reinvents itself every 6 months, is simply earning a certification enough? Or is the true empire built by those who learn how to adapt the fastest? Take a hard look at your experience, pick your starting point, and start building.